Hi. I am Drita from Albania. I want to become a pilot, but I don't know where to start. Until I discovered aviationfly.com. I'm so excited to reach my pilot dreams. Here are some of the things you need to do or have before starting your pilot training. Research what kind of pilot you want to be and the pilot license required. You may use Google, YouTube, online forums, or aviationfly.com. You should also possess these basic requirements before starting your pilot training. You should be at least 17 years old to receive a student pilot license. You need to be a high school graduate. You need to be able to speak, understand, write, and read in English. You also need to pass the medical exam. Take note that the basic requirements may vary depending on where you are planning to do your pilot training. Here are the different training stages you need to go through to become a commercial pilot. First, you need to have a student pilot license. It allows you to start your pilot training with a licensed instructor. After that, you need to have a private pilot license. This license will allow you to fly as a hobby or for leisure. Finally, you can get a commercial pilot license. It allows you to be paid for your flying services. Here are some of the careers you can pursue after getting your commercial pilot license.
Airline pilot, corporate or business aviation pilot, cargo pilot, charter or air taxi pilot, flight instructor, medical or air ambulance pilot, agricultural pilot.
Do you have any questions about pilot training? Comment below. One of the questions we are always getting is, what aircraft can I fly with a commercial pilot license? Keep watching to know the answer. What is a commercial pilot license? Having a CPL means you have finished student pilot license, private pilot license, and commercial pilot license training. You are now legally allowed to get paid as a pilot. What aircraft can I fly with a commercial pilot license? A commercial pilot license allows you to fly single-engine aircrafts and dual-engine aircrafts. Aside from CPL, you also need to have a multi-engine rating to fly a dual-engine aircraft. Both types are used for CPL flight training. A CPL holder can also fly any aircraft as long as its maximum takeoff weight is 5,700 kilograms. More than that weight, a type rating or instrument rating is needed. The type of aircraft you can fly also depends on the type of job you have as a pilot. For example, a flight instructor usually flies the single-engine or twin-engine aircrafts used in flight training. Also, an air taxi or charter pilot usually flies a Win Air, Twin Otter or others of the same type and category. Good luck! If you have any questions about commercial pilot license or other pilot licenses, check out our channel.